Hi, this is Tuan Aditya from LightHaven. Today we are going to be looking at single stick reverse angles. Now before we begin, I do have to give credit to Tuan Kanishk who taught me these reverse angles. At first I learned the 5 attacks from Grand Tuan, but the reverse angles were taught to me by Tuan Kanishk. So thank you so much, sir. So let's just quickly first start by talking about what reverse angles even are. Now within Pekiti, especially within the Trivi formula, we have something called 5 attacks, right? So you have angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, angle 4, angle 5. So a high forehand, a high backhand, a lower medium forehand, a lower medium backhand, and this low forehand thrust. Now a reverse angle is looking at the first 4 of these attacks. So your angle 1, angle 2, angle 3 and your 4, and asking the question, what if I need to attack an angle 1 but I am loaded on my backhand side, or what if I have to attack an angle 2 which is this high backhand but I'm loaded on my forehand side. And so for this we have our reverse angles, or we learn to attack these angles from the reverse side from where they are typically fired off. So let's look at angle 1 first, for example. Now we are going to start from this kind of modified medium load position around about my elbow or my tricep. I'm going to keep my hand like this on my stick, and the idea is from here I am going to use my live hand to bring my stick back around so I can hit 1 o'clock as I'm supposed to. So again from here I'm going to flick it and it's going to go 1 o'clock. Instead of going a backhand, it's going to go 1 o'clock. So angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, angle 4. Okay, that's the first combination. That's my reverse angle 1. From the backhand side, I use my live hand to bring my stick back around and I go 1, 2, 3, 4, or reverse 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's the first combination. That's me going my reverse one. Now let's go to reverse 2. Now I have ended up on my forehand loading position, but I have to hit an angle 2 which is going 11 o'clock to 5 o'clock. So for that I'm going to turn my hip and I'm going to Vitic. Okay, I want the tip of my stick to face forward, and as this comes back around it's going to go 11 o'clock or angle 2. So again reverse 2, angle 3, angle 4, angle 1. Okay, so one more time, I've ended up here. I do a Vitic or an abanico and then use the recoil to come back around and hit 11 o'clock, and then I go angle 3, angle 4, angle 1. So the whole combination, including the reverse 1, the reverse 2, will look like reverse 1, 2, 3, 4, reverse 2, 3, 4, 1. Let's look at that one more time from the side maybe. Let's go reverse 1, 2, 3, 4, reverse 2, 3, 4, 1. Now let's look at the angle 3, reverse angle 3. So I've ended up on this again backhand position just as I had done before the one. I'm going to again use this hand, this live hand, and I'm going to flip or flick the sword around until it can go 3. So now remember my 3 o'clock, angle 3 sorry, is going to go from 5 o'clock to 11 o'clock, right? So one more time, 5 o'clock to 11 o'clock, angle 4, 7 to 1, angle 1, 1 to 7, angle 2, 11 to 5. One more time for this reverse 3. I'm here, I use the live hand to flick or flip the sword or the stick around, and I go angle 3, which is 5 o'clock to 11 o'clock, angle 4, 7 to 1, angle 1, 1 to 7, angle 2, 11 to 5. I'm going to take a quick break in the video to tell you a little bit more about the exclusive content that we offer on our YouTube memberships and on our Patreon page. On both pages we have extended exclusive versions of the videos that go out for free here on YouTube. But on Patreon, we have 3 series that happen only on Patreon. There's something called the Drill of the Week, where I take double stick, double knife, single knife, stick and knife, empty hands, and I give you a series of drills that you can practice the whole week with one of these weapon systems. We have something called a 2 horns training thoughts, where I give you my thoughts on training, how I approach fighting, how I approach teaching, just my thoughts on the martial arts in general. And the last is something called Ancient Arts Modern Warriors, where it's a longer version video where we can nerd out or geek out on the martial arts together. So we're talking about the evolution of martial arts, how they're all connected to each other, where they're going right now, where they have come from. Just it's a longer form video for us to nerd out on the martial arts together. So if you'd like to know more about any of these things, please do check out in the links in the description down below. Now back to the video. I am on this forehand, and now let's complete it with the last combination, which is my reverse 4. Just like I did for the 2, I'm going to go Vitic and then drop it down. So I go with this reverse diagonal angle 4 from 7 to 1, angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, and I'm back where I began. Now this can be a little bit confusing, so I'm going to give you a formula to remember the combinations. So I'm going to use my fingers to help me remember these angles. So this is angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, angle 4. Okay, so I go reverse 1, angle 2, angle 3, angle 4, reverse 2, angle 3, angle 4, angle 1, reverse 3, angle 4, angle 1, angle 2, and lastly reverse 4, angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, and I'm back to where I began again. So let's use that formula to do the entire combination, a little bit from the side maybe. So we go reverse 1, 2, 3, 4, flick it around, reverse 2, 3, 4, 1, reverse 3, 4, 1, 2, reverse 4, 1, 2, 3. Let's do this one more time. Reverse 1, 2, 3, 4, reverse 2, 3, 4, 1, reverse 3, 4, 1, 2, reverse 4, 1, 2, 3, and we are back where we started from. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked what you saw, if you learned from what you saw, please do like and share this video. If you have anything to add, any comments, any questions, leave that in the comments down below. Please do subscribe to the channel. All of these things really do help out the school and the channel a lot. A huge thank you to everybody on our YouTube memberships and everybody on our Patreon page. Thank you guys so much for your support. If you'd like to know more about the exclusive content that we offer on either of the 2 pages, check out the links in the description down below. Lastly, thank you guys for watching and see you in the next video.